I know what we can call this video. I have an idea what we can call it.
What are you going to call it?
Close your eyes, Ethel.
No, it's the Don't Look Ethel locker.
Green Shock Hearts! Hello! Sorry for the little mess-up. Our camera stand is officially broken. And we're going to do 2 more tomorrow. So, let's open this up and have some fun.
How much did we pay for this one? $30.
$30.
Here we go. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you ready to plunder?
Yes. I'm ready to play and find
Okay.
Which one do we start with?
Let's drag that little box out and see what's in there.
Okay.
We got a
Teddy bear.
love monkey thing. A broken remote. Light bulb with
Painted on.
Cigarettes. Hot chocolate mix for you.
Oh! Okay.
A gross mouse with a gross card. Almost empty bottle.
Oh, nice.
Headphones. Broken headphones.
Look how nice a shape those are in.
And cover your eyes, Miles.
Don't look, Ethel!
We have some
Inappropriate.
We have some pornography.
we do have pornography.
Inappropriate DVD.
Hey. Nintendo Wii.
And look what I have. I have a card for it.
Okay.
Look at this card. It's a Brand Anderson second baseman card.
Oh, there's another DVD.
Wait,
Oh, another stack of them.
Don't look, Ethel!
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, and Rango. And the Purge Anarchy. Oh, whoa. And that was graphic.
How much money do you think this rookie card is for?
Why do you say it's a rookie card?
Look at the card. I'll show you the next time I see a DVD, okay?
Oh, what is that? A Leatherman? Oh, it's been burned. Oh, it's been burned.
Oh.
For
I bet they was using that for a, what they used to call those?
Roach clip.
Yep.
I think they were using them to clip the
Here's a scale.
I think
Drugs are bad. You shouldn't do drugs. Okay.
if we get to 20 comments saying Team Cat, we'll show you my cat. Like that?
I don't like the cat right now. Cat sprayed me.
What do you mean?
I mean, it expressed its anal gland on me.
What did it do? What did it do, Dad?
It sprayed butt juice at me.
Don't look, Ethel.
Don't look, Ethel!
Here, Miles. Here's about 16 cents. Put in your pocket.
Okay, then go close your eyes for a second.
Okay. I'm gonna have to close my
Oh,
eyes.
Lee Sports Resort.
Along with the porn.
What's in there?
I think it's tobacco.
Yeah, like pipe tobacco.
Yeah.
Smells good.
It does.
This, I have an idea what we can call
What are you going to call it?
Close your eyes, Ethel.
No, it's the Don't Look Ethel locker.
It's the Wii porn, because there's another Wii.
Hey, look, I have some coins. Maybe I should insert coins.
No, don't put them in there.
Put them in your pocket.
Okay.
I gave those to you. You're already in the profit margin.
Ah!
What is this thing?
Am I gonna have to close my eyes?
Is that a,
Bella?
is that a giant bomb?
That looks like some kind of blender. Guitar Hero 3. deck. Resident Evil for Wii. Skyrim. Oh!
Don't look, Ethel!
Appropriateness?
Yep.
Okay, then I'll go close my eyes again.
Africa. Jet ski. Madden. Oh, I love this longer.
Yeah, and I have to close my eyes.
We're gonna have some hand sanitizer when we're done going through this.
Oh, come
Put
on!
them in your pocket, Maynard.
That's
Hey!
what?
Another Wii.
How many Wii's does this
What would
family?
be worse if they were?
I don't even
How
know
many
at this
Wii's
point.
does this family need? Mmm.
Hey! Lockbox.
Ooh. How are we gonna get that open?
Like this.
Okay. What are you gonna do?
Okay, don't.
Don't look, Ethel!
Viewers, if you like me, then you love pancake. Whoa. And apparently a dime.
Of course.
Wait, what is that?
This is a 5 DVD video. Might be worth money.
Dad, why is white? There's a safe in here.
Oh, what brand is that?
Warrior.
Hey, Dad,
Cheap, but
Dad, maybe we can find
it's
this.
something.
Yeah.
Maybe if we can find this.
Oh, that's it.
That's yeah.
Maybe if we can find the safe, if we find the passport.
Margarita mix.
All right. We're gonna need some after this.
Well, Miles, why don't you sign off? Because I think we've shown everything that's valuable in here.
Okay, viewers, this video was weird because I didn't need to be part of it.
Yeah, you couldn't really participate.
So viewers, always remember, keep hunt for that queen, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.